Hey, so I'm here to tell you that courage is a muscle that you need to work on every single day, just like all your other muscles. It's a daily practice. It's a practice to keep your courage strong, to be brave. You have to use your courage muscle every single day. And that means on the littlest of things, the thing you don't want to do, the thing that's at the bottom of your to-do list, the call you don't want to make, just being honest with yourself, knowing what you need to work on to be better, having that hard conversation, showing up when you really don't want to, doing that workout that you're scared to do or that you're uncertain of, doing just anything that you're scared of, any small thing that you don't want to do, that you're nervous about, that you're scared about, that you keep avoiding, just do it. Just showing up is having courage. Having that hard conversation with your spouse that you keep avoiding, calling the friend that you know is going through a hard time and you feel like you don't know what to say, just call. Have the courage every day to show up. Show up and do the things that you want to do, whether it's chase a dream, whether it's start a new job, whether it's start a new hobby, whatever it is, every day do something courageous, big or small. Small courage helps get your courage muscle stronger so you can do big things. And the older we get, the more we need to work our courage muscle because it just makes us feel better. So I want you this week to do something that you're avoiding or something that you're putting off, something that you're scared of. Ignore the naysayers, ignore the critics, ignore the good friend or family member that makes those underhanded comments about whatever your new creative ideas are. Just ignore them. Get around people that support you, encourage you, because you get one life, one life. So I want you to have the courage to live that one life and do those exciting things that you've always wanted to do. So ignore them and step up, live your life, be true to yourself, follow your path, listen to God, not this world. But above all, courage is a choice. You just got to work on it every single day. So start today, because every single day you have a whole new bunch of courage. So start today and work your courage muscle.